In this video, I will talk about the find command in Linux. So let's understand the basics of this command and see 10 different examples of using the find command in the Ubuntu terminal. Now we will know about the basics of the find command. So what is the find command? The find command in Linux performs a very time-efficient searching and listing of files and directories in a directory hierarchy. So let us understand the basic syntax of the find command. The syntax is shown here in the terminal. At first, you write the find command or the find keyword. Then you mention the option. You can also mention multiple options. After that, you may mention the path of the file or directory you are looking for. You can also mention expressions or patterns to look for specific files or directories. Also, if you want to know about what options are available with the find command, you can look for the manual page of the find command. To do so, type the following command. This will display the manual page of the find command. You can scroll through the entire manual page to look for all the available options and press Q to exit to the terminal. Now I will be showing you the different examples of using the find command. For demonstration purposes, I will be using the following directory hierarchy. In example 1, I will show you how to search for a file by its name. To do so, you can use the find command along with the option -name. So let's see how it works. Suppose I want to look for a file named list1.txt which is located somewhere on my system. So now I will type the command. Here I have used the find command with the option -name and the name of the file which is list1.txt. Now I will hit enter. It prints the location or path of the file named list1.txt. Now there is a catch. I am inside the test folder directory which is inside the desktop directory. It prints the absolute path of list1.txt file. Also, in some cases, you might forget the case-sensitive naming of the file. In those scenarios, you can perform a case-insensitive search using the option -iname with the find command. So let's see how it works. So for this case, type the following command. Now the actual name of the file list1.txt includes a capital L. Here I have used the case-insensitive naming intentionally to perform a case-insensitive search with the option -iname. Now I will hit enter. It prints the path of the file named list1.txt with the proper naming. In example 2, I will show you how to search for empty files and directories on your system using the find command with the option -empty. So I will now proceed with the example. I will type the command find then the option -empty. This will look for all empty files or directories inside the test folder directory of my system. In this example, I will show you how to search for contents in your current directory by their type. You can do this by using the find command with the added option -type. So let's see how this works. First, I will type the following command. Here I have used the find command with the option -type and then written F. Here F stands for files. So it will look for all files inside the test folder directory. Now I will type the command. Here I have mentioned type D, which stands for directories, so it will look for all directories inside the test folder directory. In this example, I will show you how to search for files by their specific size using the find command with the added option -size. So I will proceed with this example. At first, I will type the command. Here I have used the option -size and mentioned -4K, which means it will look for all files smaller than the size 4 kilobytes. Now I will type this command. It looks for files having the exact size 4 kilobytes. Again I will type the command. Here I have used the option +4K, which means it will look for files bigger than 4 kilobytes. In example 5, I will show you how to search for files by their extension using the find command along with the option -name and a special symbol asterisk which will be used to search for a specific expression or pattern. So let's see how it works. So I will type the command. Here I have used the find command with the option -name and the pattern *.txt. It prints all files ending with the file extension .txt, meaning they are all text files. In example 6, I will show you how to search for files modified at a certain minutes ago or accessed at a certain minute using the find command with the option -mmin and -amin. So let's see how it works. At first, I will search for files modified at specific minutes, starting with this command. Here I have searched for files modified less than 130 minutes. Now I will type the command. Here I have searched for files modified at exactly 130 minutes. Now I will look for files modified more than 130 minutes ago. Now I will be searching for files and directories accessed at certain minutes, starting with this command. Here I am searching for files and directories accessed less than 120 minutes ago. Now I will type the command. Here I have searched for files and directories accessed at exactly 2 minutes ago. Now I will look for files and directories accessed more than 5 minutes ago. In example 7, I will show you how to search for files with specific file permissions using the option -perm. So let's see how it works. So at first, I will type the following command. Here I am looking for a file having the file permission set to the octal notation 777, meaning it has read, write, and executable permission for all groups, and there is only one file named list1.txt. In this example, I will show you how to search for other users' directories using the find command with the option -user. So let's see how it works. So I will type the command. Here I am searching for the contents of the user Famid, which is my current logged in user, and I am searching for the contents inside the desktop directory. In example 9, I will show you how to search for specific texts or patterns within text files using the grep command and find command with the option -exec. So let's see how it works. For this example, I'll type the following command. Here I am searching for the text or pattern good inside text files, so here are the results. In the last example, which is example 10, here I will show you how you can delete a file by finding its name. To do so, you have to use the find command along with the extra option -delete. So let's see how it works. At first, I will type the command tree to show you the directory hierarchy inside the test folder. Now suppose I want to delete this text file named list2.txt. So I will use the find command along with the option -delete. Follow with this command. After executing this command, it will delete the list2.txt file. Now I will again use the tree command to verify this. As you can see, now it does not have any list2.txt file. So this was all for this video. If you want to know more about the find command, please refer to the article provided in the description below. Thank you for watching.